I don't compete with nobody, cause I know that I'm in a whole different lane. If you don't hear me, the whip hasn't started.
Alright, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do compression tests on your cylinders on your Mustang. So nothing's wrong with my engine, but I always wanted just to know the compression test PSI, because online they're saying like 230, 250 and all that stuff, but they're saying that a good PSI would be between 175 to 200. So I'm going to debunk it today. So what I've been doing is, well, what you have to do is just pull off your coil packs, remove your spark plugs, get you a nice piece, little PSI gauge that threads right into your cylinder, your spark plug basically, and then you put it on, and then I'll show you what to do when you're cranking it to make sure your car doesn't turn over, or how to do it just so that you can build it up and see what each cylinder is. So I just did 8. I'm just going to do the whole driver's side. So far this whole side has been 200, so we're just going to keep going and I'll show you how the process. Okay, so get your spark plug remover. I'm gonna try to set my phone up so you guys can see. I think right there would be okay. If I can get the phone to stable, okay. Cracker loose. And by the way, this is a 2020 Mustang GT, but all Gen 3, Gen 2s, I believe it's the same process. Well, for any car you're doing a compression, but I know to get it to not turn over, to get to your gauge would be different. So spark plug off, looks okay. Got a little visuals in there, but looks clean, no puddles. So we're gonna put this right here. Grab your gauge. I'm going to disconnect it so I can screw it into so I'm going to have to put you guys down again. All right, nice and tight. Put it back in, turn it on. All right, leave it right there. Now we go into the car. Go into the car. All right, so you put your foot on the brake and the gas. Then boom. Do that a couple times. This is my assistant. She's not really doing too much, but she's good company. Get out the way. Get. And as you see, 200. So mind you hit this, releases the pressure back to 0. So in a nutshell, that's basically how you do it. Not too hard. Like I said, I'm not boosted or anything like that, but I did just wanted to check to see if my engine was healthy. So if you're curious and like me, then go ahead and do it. I got this nice little kit off Amazon, because with different spark plug adapters, so it can fit inside. I'm not too sure what these are, but yeah, we're gonna leave that like that. But nice little simple little setup. There you go.
Through all the doubt, yeah. They was trying to get me, I was living filthy, I was worried about the cloud, yeah. Stuck in the cage, I thought I was free, but the Lord came and took me out, yeah.